Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to pause and resume bot automation in the inbox in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. Take a look at this video. As you can see in this video, the bot is responding. Now, let me pause the automation. As you can see, the bot is not responding because I had paused the bot automation. Now I will resume the bot automation again. Now the bot is responding again. To pause bot automation, click on this icon. To resume bot automation, click on this icon. There you have it. You just have learned how to pause and resume bot automation in the inbox. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.